How to style a strapless dress. The hanger should be thinner. The armpit angle should be stretched. For easier editing, the waist and hip arc should match the skirt shape. The folds of the skirt should be three-dimensional. Install an extension rod here to adjust the height. Here install underarm support rods. To hang the strap for photography, the hanger's side is tilted like this. To stretch the armpit angle, bend the metal elbow pipe to create a waist cinching curve, and open the skirt. Then bend the hip width part. The arc should be bent according to the skirt's arc, so that the fabric will not wrinkle. Install the remaining telescopic rods on the expansion slot. Tilt inward to position the pleats of the skirt to make the skirt have a three-dimensional effect. After taking the photo of this style, adjust the aspect ratio.